having a big snowstorm today. Look at all the snow. It's everywhere. Like it's a winter wonderland out here today. Everywhere. It's can't even really see a pathway here. But very, very bad. It's not too bad outside, like as in cold wise, it's not really cold. It's actually nice. But very snowy. Look, everywhere. Snow everywhere. It's supposed to get up to like 10 centimeters. So lots of snow. I love snow. Like it's so nice. Makes it look nice too, you know? The snow makes it look really, really nice. Even on the benches, snow. Actually, it's not cold at all. It's actually really nice. See, snow everywhere. Snow, snow, snow. Whew. Definitely a snowy day. Snow, snow everywhere. It's a beautiful snowy day. But it's not cold. It's really not really cold. Like, it's really, really nice actually. A little wind when the wind does come. It gets there, you can feel it. See the snow on the trees. Birds are hiding over there. So snowy. This is the road. And Crazy Me's in it to do a video. Well, I'm pretty well done now. I'm going to sign off. God bless everybody. Have a nice day. And I'm grateful and thankful for everything we have. Have a happy New Year's. Take care. God bless everybody. Bye-bye. This is To Korea with Love. Drop a like, subscribe. And yeah, just be careful if you guys are having snow. Bye-bye, y'all. Take care.